morning, students. I will continue remaining problems of this continuity and differentiability chapter. Uh, Yesterday we completed 26th problem. Let f(n)x be the nth derivative of f of x. The least value of fn and fn plus 1. So, nth derivative and n plus 1th derivative, that value equal. What is the derivative of that function? At what derivative of the function? Two derivatives. Suppose f1, f2 both are equal means okay. In that least value, least derivative is called f of 1. Like that you will find given function to derivate. Given f of x 26. Given f of x is equal to x square plus e power x. Okay, first derivative. Otherwise here one f1 means first derivative is equal to 2x e power x. Second derivative 2 e power x. Third derivative 2 second constant derivative 0. This is nothing but e power x. And fourth derivative e power x. Okay, that implies f3 plus 1, fn plus 1. At these two derivatives, the value is equal. So these two derivatives are equal. Then what is the least value in this one? 3. Third derivative. Okay. It implies fourth option is the correct answer. At what least value of n? So least value of n. So this implies fn is equal to n plus 1. That is equal to n is equal to 3. Third option correct answer. Right. Next 27. H of x is equal to minimum of x comma x square. Minimum of x comma x square. We will do this problem using graph. Okay. F of x is equal to, what is that value? Okay, not that one. H of x given. Options: h is not continuous, h is differentiable, and h dash x is not equal to 1. Final fourth option is h is not differentiable at two values of x. Right? It's graph. By using graph, h of x, suppose function x square like this one. Function x square like this one. Function y is equal to x. Y is equal to x passing through the origin. Suppose this is at 1 comma 1. At 1 comma 1. So this is at 0. Continuous everywhere. Minimum of x square. So in this, what is the meaning of point of intersection? What is the minimum of value? That is nothing but minimum of x comma x square. From this graph, continuity is possible. What is differentiable? Differentiable means left hand derivative and right hand derivative equal, but from the graph how can you say means one tangent is possible, means that is differentiable. More than one tangent, suppose once you look here in point of intersection here and here, the two point of intersection, more than one tangent are possible, therefore at 2 points it is not differentiable. That implies so last option is the correct answer. H is not differentiable at two values of x. At two values of x. Right? Clear? Okay. Okay. 28 also, like we draw a graph. Minimum of f of x. Okay, that is 1 x square x cube. Okay. X cube graph like this. Like this, x square So like this is f of x is equal to y is equal to x square. This one y is equal to x cube. Y is equal to x cube. This is x square graph. This is y is equal to x cube graph, and at 1 this is y is equal to 1. 3. Minimum of 1 comma x square comma x cube. Okay. Options. F of x is not everywhere continuous. F of x is continuous and differentiable everywhere. Continuous, clearly that is continuous. F is not differentiable at 2 points, and f of x is not differentiable at 1 point. Okay, point of intersection of 3 graphs. Point of intersection of 3 graphs here. So here more than one tangents are possible. Therefore, at a sharp point, these are not possible. The differentiability. So last option, fourth option is the correct answer. So f of x is not differentiable at 1 point. From the graph, easy understand this type of problems. Next, 29. F of x and g of x differentiable function on 0, 2. Okay, on 0, 2, close interval 0, 2, such that f double dash x minus g double dash x is equal to 0. Then some values are given, f dash 1, like that one. So here given is f double dash x. So means in the problem f dash 1, f of that values are given. So finally they ask f of x minus g of x. F of x minus g of x at x is equal to 3 by 2. So you can decrease this derivative, means powers decrease to f of x and g of x. How can decrease? So apply antiderivative. Antiderivative is integration. Take integration, then integration and derivative to cancel each to each. So that implies apply antiderivative. That implies whatever take integration. Take integration. Then f dash x minus g dash x. Okay. Is equal to c, some constant, is equal to c, some constant for integration, right? F dash x value given. Okay, f dash 1 value, f dash 1 value given, and g dash 1 is equal to 2 times. What is given? F dash 1 is equal to 2 times of g dash 1 is equal to 4. That implies f dash 1 is equal to 4. G dash 1 is equal to 4 by 2. Therefore, G dash 1 is equal to 2. Substitute these values. F dash 1 minus G dash 1 is equal to C. F dash 1 value 4 minus 2 is equal to C. This implies C is equal to 2. C is equal to, alright. F dash x minus G dash x, C plus 2. C is equal to 2. They ask f of x. So again take integration. What happened? Means again integration and derivative cancel. That implies f of x minus g of x to integration 2x plus another constant d or c1. No problem. Another constant c1. For constant integration is some constant value into that constant value into x and again plus c, right? Okay, f of x value given. What is f of x value? It is not given. F of x minus g of x at x is equal to 3 by 2 value they ask. Okay, given f of 2 is equal to 3, g of 2 is equal to 9. Okay, right? F of 2 is equal to 3. So therefore, f of 2 minus g of 2 and this value 2 plus c1. What is f of 2? F of 2 value is equal to 3 minus g of 2 value 9. This is equal to 2 to 4 plus c1. So this value is equal to 3 minus 9 minus 6 minus 6 minus 4 is equal to c1. That implies c1 is equal to minus 10. So finally, sorry, f of 2 is equal to 3 of g of again like this. What is given? F of 2 is equal to 3 of g of 2 is equal to 9. This implies f of 2 is equal to 9 and 3 of g of 2 is equal to 9. What is g of 2 value? 3. So substitute f of 2 value 9. Right. G of 2 value 3 is equal to 4 plus c1. So 9 minus this 6, 4 shift that this side. So what happened? 6 minus 4 will get 2 is equal to c1. 9 minus 6, 6 minus 4, 2, c1 is equal to c2. So now write the original function. Okay, therefore f of x minus g of x, right, 2x. What is c1 value? C1 value is equal to 2. This is the function. After 2 times integration, we will get that integration. So finally they ask at x is equal to 3 by 2. At x is equal to what is the value of f of x minus, then f of x minus g of x at x is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore 2 of 3 by 2 plus 2 to cancel, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So f of x minus g of x value is equal to 5. So fourth option is the correct answer. Next, let f1 g be differentiable. So we will try this problem. H of x is equal to 30 problem given like this. H of x is equal to f of f circle g of x. How can you write f circle g of x? F of g of x. So apply derivative. H dash x is equal to f dash of g of x into inside function g dash x and substitute those values to get answer. Right. Next study. Let R be the set of real numbers if f maps R to R be a function such that f of x minus f of y whole square modulus whole square less than or equal to x minus y whole cube for all x comma y belongs to R, then f dash x. Okay, then f dash x. Right. F dash x formula by using the first principle. What is f dash x? Right. F dash x is equal to f of x minus, what is given, f of x minus f of y. Like that you will take, but wait a minute. F of x minus f of y whole square less than or equal to x minus y whole cube. Correct? X minus y. Alright, whole cube. Square terms take this side. One value, keep that side available. F of x minus f of y divided by x minus y less than or equal to x minus y. Okay, so total whole square and whole square. And next, they ask f dash x. What is f dash x value? So what is f dash x value? F dash x is equal to in this we'll put limit distance to 0, limit distance to 0, f of x minus, in y place I will take x plus h. I will come out like first principle model, that implies x minus x plus h modulus less than or equal to x minus x plus h modulus. Okay. Limit distance to 0. In modulus if there means reverse, take minus common, no problem. F of x plus h minus f of x divided by x cancel, minus its modulus means that is nothing but h less than or equal to x cancel modulus h. This value, first principle, what is this value? So therefore f dash x less than or equal to h 0, that implies f dash x is equal to what? 0. F dash x value is equal to 0. Therefore which option is the correct answer? Third option is the correct answer. Okay, clear? Just to take for this, apply limit distance to 0. Actually put y place x plus h and the limit distance to 0, this value. What is this value? This value is equal to first principle of the derivative. That's why if you take this one, f dash x less than or equal to 0, that implies f dash x value how much? 0. Okay. Right. 32. F function, the functions f, g, h satisfy the relation f dash x, g dash x, then f double dash x is equal to how much? Okay. 32. We'll try this problem. How means, first of all, f dash x given, find out f double dash x. F double dash x is equal to g dash of x plus 1. Okay. Given problem. This is the given problem. F dash x is equal to g of x plus 1. Apply derivative. F double dash x is equal to g dash x plus 1. Already g dash x plus 1 value given. H of x minus 1. H of x minus 1. Substitute in this one and you will get answer. And finally, what is f double dash x? X plus take f of f double dash of 2x. So we will get answer first option. Next, 33 also do homework. How means differentiable? 33. Given problem is differentiable. Given problem is differentiable. Differentiable means compulsory it is continuous. It is continuous. That implies first continuous, then only differentiable. Converse need not be true. Means what is converse? Every continuous function is different. Every differentiable function is continuous, but every continuous function need not be a differentiable function. Theorem also is there in our theory. So like that, first given that problem is differentiable, automatic that also continuous. So first apply continuous concept at 3. Take better to at 3. So direct substitute in place of x3, we will get some one equation. Next differentiate with respect to s, k into 1 by root of x plus 1, and second function m 2 value 0. So equate both given already means f dash 3 plus better at 3 plus. Why means only 3 plus is better, that is 0, 1, 5 is there. F dash 3 plus f dash 3 minus, both equate. In place of x substitute 3 and we will get two equations, solve them, and k plus m, k value and m value will get, k plus m value we find. Right. 34. The function given by y is equal to mod of x minus 1, this one. Okay, 34. For mod x, we will get value is equal to keep 0. Mod x value to equal 0, that implies x equal to 0. Right. And for this, mod x minus 1 is equal to means what is the value? So the x value is equal to plus or minus 1. Right. Sorry. Mod of x minus 1 equal to 0. Mod x1 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus or minus 1. So totally 0 minus 1. 1 will check out. At 0, put 0. What is the value? 1. Right. At minus 1, what is the answer? 1 minus 1, 0. At 1, this value 0. So graph is like this. Right. At minus 1, 1. At 0, 1. So here, 3 sharp points. 3 sharp points. They ask the function is differentiable for all real numbers. All real numbers it is differentiable except the options. Except the options means except 0, minus 1, 1. Except these points. At 0, one sharp corner and 1 on sharp corner and 1 minus 1 sharp corner. A sharp point differentiable more than the tangents 1. So it is not differentiable 0, minus 1, 1. So first option is the correct answer. Option 1. Look, just that is like textbook model, but d square y by dx square. Just explain. What is x value? X is equal to a1 plus cos theta. What is dx by dt? Parametric equation. Dx by d theta. A constant 0 minus sin theta. Right? dy by y is equal to, what is y value? A of theta plus sin theta. What is dy by d theta? Dy by d theta is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. We want dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to a of 1 plus means dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? A of 1 plus cos theta divided by minus a of sin theta. A cancelled. So this can be written as 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. Formulas compulsory. Rate divided by 2 cos square theta by 2. Sin theta can be written as minus submultiple 2 sin theta by 2. Cos theta by 2. 2 cancel. 1 cos cancel. So remaining value is equal to minus cot theta by 2 dy by dx. But we want d square y by dx square. So that implies d by dx of minus cot theta by 2. But inside function is theta. Here derivative with respect to x it is not possible. So that's why d by dx minus, this can be written as d theta minus cot theta into d theta by dx. So dx there, take this side and d theta by multiply and divide. Right? Minus right outside, no problem. D by d theta cot theta by 2. Cot theta by 2. This can be written as 1 by dx by d theta. Okay. Derivative of the cot theta minus cosecant square theta by 2 minus cosecant square theta by 2 into 1 by 2 theta by 2 differentiation. Right? Into 1 by dx by d theta. Dx by d theta is equal to how much value? Minus a sin theta. Minus a sin theta. So minus and minus plus. Right? And cosecant square theta by 2. Okay? Okay, minus into minus 1 by minus 1 by 2a. This is equal to cosecant square theta by 2 into 1 by dx by d theta. Correct. Okay. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Right. 1 sin theta by 2 cosecant square 1 cancel. Clear? This is equal to finally minus 1 by 2 of cosecant theta by 2 sent to denominator sin theta by 2. So 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 minus a is there, a here. So this is a into minus 1 by a into 1 by 2 sin a cos a. So that implies sin theta. Okay, and at theta is equal to pi by 2. D square y by dx square at theta is equal to pi by 2. So that implies minus 1 by a sin 90 sin pi by 2 value 1. So answer is minus 1 by a. So first option is the correct answer. Okay. 32. If Rolle's theorem, everybody know Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem, verified. Already given Rolle's theorem verified. Verified means what? Continuous, differentiable, f of a is equal to f of b. The three conditions satisfied means Rolle's theorem verified. Already given problem verified on 5 by 4 comma 5 pi by 4. So then there exists a point C. There exists a point C belongs to pi by 4 comma 5 pi by 4. How? F dash C such that f dash C is equal to 0. So that's why given f of x is equal to e power x into sin x minus cos x to derivative and to equal 0. For what value? That value will get theta value, means x value or c value lies between pi by 4 comma 5 pi by 4. Then that is the answer to try this problem. Like same as theory problem. That is 7. The function f of x is not suitable to apply Rolle's theorem. Okay. Not suitable. Suitable means what? Actual Rolle's theorem means continuous, differentiable, and f of a is equal to f of b. Okay na? So intervals here we will consider. First option we will see 1 comma 5. So at 1 and 5 it is clearly continuous. At 1 and 5 it is clearly, and at 5 also. 1 function that one and 5 function same like that. At 4 we will check. And f of n, f of 1 not equal to f of 5. Second option. What is second option? F of 1 value. This is question number 37. F of 1 value 2 square means 2x square 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. F of 5 value 151 minus 35 150 is equal to 1. Next, f of x is equal to continuous at 4. So at 4 what is the value? 16. 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. And next, right, left is 2x square minus 1 function. For right 151. This is for left, extends to 4 minus. Limit extends to 4 plus. Function is 151 minus 30 of 4. That implies 151 minus 120. How much this value? This value is equal to 131. So is continuous. So it is around given f of x is continuous only at x is equal to 4. So that value 4, 4, 16, 62, 30. Sorry, 32. This function is 2x square minus 1. Substitute 4, 4, 4, 16, 16 to 32. 32 minus 1, 31. So given right. Option is correct. This is third option. Next, first option also correct. Second option, once check. Second option, f of 1 and f of 5. F of 1 value 2 minus 1, 1. And f of 5 value 150. Okay. This is not equal. So it is wrong. Given is f of 1 not equal to f of 5. Next, fourth option. F of x are not differentiable in x is equal to 4. Differentiable means suppose f dash x differentiate. Differentiate means 4x. If 1 less than or equal to x less than 4. Left of 4 and right minus 30. This is 4 less than x less than 5. So therefore f dash 4 minus what is the function? 4x. So 4x that is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16. F dash 4 plus is equal to how much? Minus 30. So this is not equal. So then f is not differentiable in x is equal to 4. So this is the not suitable to apply the Rolle's theorem. So fourth option is the correct answer. This is not suitable. Okay. Next 38. F of x is equal to x cube minus x plus p, where p is a constant, the value of mean value theorem. What is mean value theorem? Mean value theorem is continuous, differentiable, and third then f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a, means on a comma b interval the function apply an interval. Here given interval is 0 comma 2, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, where p is a constant, then the value of c of mean value theorem, right? So therefore f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. What is f dash c? F dash c is equal to 3x square minus 1. P is constant 0. That implies f of b. F of b means 2. 2 means 8. 2 cube. 2 cube minus 2 minus p minus f of a 0. 0 minus 0 minus p divided by 2 minus 0. So sub 3x square minus 1. So that implies you take 3c square. Given 3c square minus 1 is equal to 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6 minus p minus minus plus p divided by 2 cancel. This is equal to 2, 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Therefore 3c square is equal to 3 plus 1. So 3c square is equal to 4. C square is equal to 1. C is equal to plus or minus 1. But given problem is interval 0, 2. Minus 1 not possible. 1 is possible to this one. 1 is possible to that one. Right. Now we'll find then value of C mean value theorem. Root 2. Value of C. Okay, mistake. 3x square minus 1. Right? F of B means 2 cube minus 2, 8 minus 2, 6 minus p. Then here 0 minus 0, sorry, plus p here, plus p here also, okay, plus p, then also cancel, plus p minus p cancel, 3c square, 1 belongs to 0, 2, okay, but the value of C option not there, 1. To 3x square minus 1. Root 3. Okay, somewhere mistake. Okay, sorry, mistake here. 4, 3c square. So c square is equal to here this side shifting, this side means that is addition concept, not addition. 4 by 3. 4 by 3. C is equal to plus or minus 4 by 3. Therefore 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 option not there. So that's why rationalize. Therefore 2 root 3 by 2 by 3 root 3. C value 2 by 3 root 3 is the fourth option, the correct answer. So fourth option, that is belongs to 0, 2. Next 39. This also f continuous on 1, 5 and differentiable in 1, 5. Okay, continuous differentiable, f of 1 value given and f dash x value given, and next for all x belongs to 1, 5. Once you look options are f of 5, all f of 5. So what you understand from this problem, apply mean value theorem here also. Here also apply mean value theorem. What is mean value theorem? F dash x is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Therefore this problem is 39. Okay, f of x minus f of a. Right. Given f dash x greater than or equal to 9. Given f dash x greater than or equal to 9. What is f of b? F of b means 0, 5 interval. Interval given 0, 5. So therefore f of 5 minus f of 0 divided by 5 minus 0 greater than or equal to 9. So therefore, f of 5 we don't know, f of 5 minus f of 0 value minus 3 divided by 5. So take that side 5. This value 1, sorry. This is 1 comma. This is 1. Okay, 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Greater than or equal to 9. F of 5 minus into minus plus, take this side, 9 4 36. Therefore, f of 5 greater than or equal to 33. So, first option is the correct answer. Okay, 40. If g of x is the inverse of f of x, g of x is the inverse of f of x, inverse of f of x, and f dash x value is given 1 plus x, 1 by 1 plus x cube, then g dash x is equal to, right? Okay, take this side, this is equal to f of g of x is equal to 1, right? Okay, they ask differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, f dash of g of x into g dash x, this value is x derivative 1, x derivative 1. We want f g dash x only, g dash x 1 by f dash of g of x. F dash x value given, what is f dash x? 1 by 1 plus x cube. 1 here 1 by 1 plus x place g of x is there, 1 plus g of x whole cube, right? So set to reciprocal, this value is equal to 1 plus g of x whole cube. So third option is the correct answer. F of x cube is equal to 4x to the differential function f of x defined for all x greater than 0. F of x cube is equal to 4x to the power of 4. Let x cube is equal to some t, that implies x is equal to t to the power of 1 by 3, right? So let x cube is equal to what? T. F of t is equal to what happened? This value 4x to the power of 4 into x cube value. So x means t to the power of 1 by 3, 4 power 4. F of t is equal to t to the power of 4 by 3. So therefore f dash t. So they ask f dash 8 value. Therefore derivative f dash t is equal to 4 into n into t to the power of n minus 1. So therefore f dash t is equal to 16 by 3, t to the power of 4 minus 3, 1 by 3, t to the power of 1 by 3, right? Okay. Now t is equal to what? X cube. F dash x cube is equal to 16 by 3, t value x cube whole power 1 by 3, 3 cancel. So finally this value is equal to 16 by 3 x. Now they ask f dash 8. F dash 8 can be written as, in terms of like this one, 2 cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So x plus what? F dash x cube is equal to 16 by 3 into x. Like that 16 by 3 into 2. Therefore 32 by 3 is the answer. Second option. 42, we will try this problem. Either L'Hospital rule, otherwise take x comma 2 minus sin inverse x by x, limit x tends to 0, f of 0 given already. Here denominator also take x comma, x cancel, 2 plus tan inverse x by x, limit x tends to 0, sin inverse x by x value 1, tan inverse x by x value also 1, do that problem, right. Next 43 problem, numerator step x and denominator mod x given. So clearly it does not exist. Y means either left hand limit and right hand limit, step x value and apply using first principle concept. Already explained step x concept and modulus concept. It does not exist, third option. Minimum of x by n sin pi x modulus sin pi x, n belongs to n. Okay. Modulus of sin x means for negative. What is the sine period 2 pi? Means 1 is equal to 1 cycle is equal to 2 pi. Sine period is equal to 2 pi. So for negative values also same will get. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take this one. X by n. Y is equal to some x by n and y is equal to modulus of sin by x. Take this sine graph and x by n. What is the question? Maximum of non-differentiability for x belongs to 0, 4. So that's why we take 0, 4. Between 0, 4, how many points non-differentiability? Non-differentiability means sharp corners, means more than intersecting. Intersecting means there is a sharp corner, more than one tangent. So like that, how many maximum points non-differentiability for x belongs to 0, 4, that is 4 or 2 or 5 or 6 at what points. Suppose this is like this one, no combination. For this one graph, like this. For this one, how many? 1, 2, 3. Here is 1. For this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 points not differentiable. Okay now. For example, put y is equal to x by n. This is x by n. So 0 to 4. 0 to 4 means at what y is equal to how much? Let it be, this is y value is equal to 1. So like this, y value is equal to 1. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. So these are all the non-differentiability points. So given problem, first option 4, okay, possible case, and 5 also is there, 6 also maximum points. So at 2, not there, 2 points, not there. So second option is the correct answer. Maximum points of non-differentiability for then n cannot be. For remaining all points non-differentiability, n cannot be at 2 points is not possible, not differentiability, right? So second option. Next one, 45. F of x is equal to root of 1 minus x square. Right? This is the problem. Then f of x is equal to continuous minus 1 comma 1 and differentiable. Okay, clearly it is a continuous minus 1 comma 1. Therefore, let from this let x is equal to take sin theta. X is equal to take sin theta. What is this value? And this value is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta value is equal to cos square theta, root cancel, that implies 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Root of 2 sin square theta by 2. This value is equal to root 2 sin theta by 2. Root 2 sin theta by 2. Okay, what is interval? Interval means sine function. Suppose minus 1 minus pi by 2 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi by 2. Okay, right. That is the interval. Given interval what? That x is equal to take sin theta. In that minus 1 comma 1. What are the value? Minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So minus 1 comma 1. That value at what? Minus pi by 2 comma less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi by 2. Okay, take here pi by 2 minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. At 0 clearly. At theta value 0 is equal to 0. At pi by 2 by 2, pi by 4, pi by sin pi by 4 will 1 by root 2. Root to root to cancel, so that value is equal to 1. The value is equal to 1. Minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 means sin of minus pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2. Root to root to cancel, so that value is equal to. Okay. So y means this is take modulus sin square theta. 2 modulus means 2 sin square theta root into sin theta. So here also positive. So graph like this. So here at 0 sharp corner. Therefore it is continuous minus 1 comma 1 and not differentiable. That value, what is the value? And 0. Not applied. 0 minus 1 comma 0 union 0 comma 1. At 0 not differentiable. So second option is the correct answer. Continuous on minus 1 comma 1 and differentiable on minus 1 comma 0. 0 not include and minus 1 also not include, 1 also not include. So that implies this is the second option. Okay students, complete continuity and differentiable. Next chapter, derivatives. Next chapter, derivatives. So this chapter depend on formulas. Read formulas once. All every trigonometric function formulas, exponential function, log function, and u by v quotient rule, product rule, and three functions product rule. Okay, first was however you know. So x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1 log x e power x derivative, like that. All read once all formulas. Chain, what about chain rule? Okay, right. Now see first question. If y is equal to 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4. First question. Y is equal to 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 4. I will write last term like here. 1 minus x to the power of 1 by 4 into 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 2. Clear? Okay, then dy by dx. Then find dy by dx. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. What is square? A square minus b square. A square minus b square into 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 2. 2 times cancel. This can replace x to the power of 1 by 2 into 1 plus x to the power of 1 by 2. This value is equal to 1. Again this is a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. 1 square minus x to the power of 1 by 2 whole square. Square this one cancel. So finally y value will get 1 minus x. Dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to 1 derivative 0, 0 minus 1. So answer is equal to minus 1. So second option. Next, second problem. That is direct derivative. F y is equal to f of x is equal to secant x minus cot x. Just direct derivative and substitute pi by 6 value. We will get answer. Right. Next, third one. You know formulas, derivatives easy. Y is equal to log tan x by 2. Y is equal to log tan x by 2 plus sin inverse cos x, then divided by dx, okay, divided by dx is equal to log function derivative 1 by x, 1 by tan x by 2, tan x derivative secant square x by 2, x by 2 derivative 1 by 2 plus sin inverse x derivative 1 by 1 minus x square, x plus cos is there, 1 minus x square. This is the function, so cos x derivative minus sin x. Okay, clear? 1 by 2 right here, 1 by 2. Tan x by 2, how can you write? 1 by sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. Secant square can be written as 1 by cos square x by 2 plus 1 minus cos square x. This is minus sin x. 1 minus cos square x value, sin square x, root sin square x value, sin x. Right. Cos 1 term cancel. 1 by 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 minus 1. 2 sin a cos a, submultiple formula. Sin 2a. Sin 2a. So means sin x minus 1. This answer is equal to cosecant x minus 1. So first option is the correct answer. Fourth we will try. That is x power 6. N into x to the power of n formula. 6 into x to the power of 5. And a power x formula. 6 power x into log 6. Direct answer, third option. Next, fifth one. Y is equal to tan inverse a minus x by 1 plus ax. This is the formula of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. What is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula? Tan inverse denominator. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus x into y. So use this formula, that is tan inverse a minus tan inverse x. So dy by dx, tan inverse a value constant means 0. 0 minus tan inverse x value 1 by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square is the third option. Okay, right? Okay. 6 do try the problem. Over secant x, x plus tan inverse x is there. Secant x derivative, secant x tan x. So secant of tan inverse x into tan inverse of tan of tan inverse x. That you try the problem. Next, seventh, the derivative of direct analysis also. The derivative of sin inverse of 2x into 1 minus x square, that is the textbook example problem. That value is equal to sin inverse 2x 1 minus x square. How to get means this is 2 sin inverse x. How means that x is equal to take sin theta. Substitute, we will get answer. This value is equal to 1 minus sin square theta sin. So sin 2 theta, sin inverse of sin cancel 2 theta. So let x is equal to sin theta theta. Okay. So you will get answer, final answer sin inverse of sin 2 theta Sin inverse and cancel 2 theta. So this implies what happened? Theta is equal to sin inverse x. 2 theta, 2 sin inverse. Direct formula that also. Otherwise, we will not remember means in place of x theta, we will do that one. And next, the derivative with respect to, suppose this is let it be y, and one more z is equal to, what is z? Sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Here also put x is equal to sin theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta value, sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta, sin inverse of sin 3 theta is equal to 3 theta. Theta means sin inverse x. Okay. Now, derivative with respect to dy by dx 2 by 1 minus x square root of dz by dx 3 by 1 minus x square. Differentiate with respect to this with this one. Therefore, that implies dy by dz is equal to dy by dx. With respect to which take there, that is like denominator dz by dx 2 by 1 minus x square root divided by 3 by 1 minus x square root. This one should cancel. Answer is equal to 2 by 3. So first option is the correct answer. 8th one you try. 9th also just that one, ax minus y, apply uv formula and at x is equal to 0 minus 3 equate and find a value, right? 10th question. Y is equal to tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x square plus 3x plus 3 plus and so on n terms. Then dy by dx at x is equal to 0 and n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 means consider only first term. Therefore, so first term what you take this only. How can you write this value? This value I can write 1 by, I will take common 1 plus x. Okay. Apply like this problem. 1 plus x minus x divided by 1 plus x into x. Okay, understand? Suppose 1 plus x cancel, only 1 is the remaining. This is in the formula. What is the formula? Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus x into y. Formula is tan inverse 1 plus x minus tan inverse x. Okay. Tan inverse x minus tan y. Tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus x into y. So now dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 1 plus x. 1 by 1 plus x whole square minus 1 by x square. And at x is equal to 0. So in place of at x is equal to 0, 1 by 1 plus 0 whole square minus 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 plus 0. Therefore, this value 1 by 2 minus 1. So final answer is equal to minus 1 by 2. Second option is the correct answer. Next, 11th. F of x is equal to sin pi by 2 step x minus x power 5 denotes greatest integer less than or equal to x power 5, right? And one condition given. What is the condition? 1 less than x less than 2. 1 less than x less than 2. F of x is equal to sine of step x value 1 less than x less than 2. What is this answer? Between 1 and 2, that value is equal to 1. Therefore, step x value 1. So, that value is 1. Therefore, x minus 5. Sin 90 minus theta, cos x to the power of 5, f of x. So, what they ask? They ask f dash of fifth root of pi by 2. So, therefore, f dash x, first of all, you find f dash x minus sin x to the power of 5 into x to the power of 5 derivative 5 into x to the power of 4. Now substitute f dash fifth root of pi by 2 is equal to minus sin x plus pi by 2 whole to the power of 1 by 5. Fifth root means whole to the power of 5 into 5 into pi by 2 whole to the power of 1 by 5 whole power 4. So 5 cancel here. 5 cancel. Now f dash fifth root of pi by 2 value. So minus sin pi by 2 into 5 of pi by 2 whole to the power of 4 by 5. 4 by 5. So sin 90 value minus 1 into 5 into pi by 2 whole to the power of 4 by 5. So second option is the correct answer. Minus 5 into pi by 2 whole to the power of 4 by 5. Second option is the correct answer. Okay students, we will continue remaining problems in next class. Thank you.